In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to block people on Facebook Messenger. Open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, go to your Messenger here. Click on your Messenger. Then click on the person you want to block. Click on the person's profile picture here. Then scroll down. Then click on block. Then click on block. But I'm not ready to block this person, so I'm not going to click on block. So I'm going to click on not ready to block. So if you want to block the person, you can click on block person now, and you have blocked the person from receiving or messaging you on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you for watching.